Ever wondered how to make the perfect stuffed bell pepper? Well, wonder no more. Today, we unravel the secrets to crafting this delightful dish that's as beautiful to look at as it is delicious to taste. Imagine a bell pepper, vibrant and fresh, serving as a vessel for a treasure trove of savory, hearty, and nutritious fillings. This is no ordinary meal, it's a culinary adventure. The journey begins with selecting the perfect bell peppers. Look for ones that are firm, glossy, and have even coloring. These will be the canvas for our culinary masterpiece. Next, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. While the oven warms up, start the prep work. Cut off the tops of the bell peppers and hollow them out. Discard the seeds and membranes, but keep the tops. They'll serve as adorable little hats for our stuffed bell peppers later on. Now onto the stuffing. In a skillet, cook a pound of ground beef over medium heat until it's no longer pink. Drain off excess fat, and then stir in a can of diced tomatoes, a cup of cooked rice, half a cup of finely chopped onion, and a clove of minced garlic. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Once the filling is ready, stuff the hollowed-out bell peppers with the mixture. Fill them to the brim, and then place the tops back on. Arrange the stuffed peppers in a baking dish and pop them into the preheated oven. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until the bell peppers are tender and the filling is heated through. When you pull them out of the oven, you'll find the bell peppers have softened and sweetened, their vibrant colors deepened. The filling is hot and hearty, the flavors melded together in a symphony of taste. To summarize, making the perfect stuffed bell pepper involves selecting quality bell peppers, prepping and stuffing them with a savory mixture of ground beef, tomatoes, rice, and seasonings, and then baking until everything is cooked to perfection. This recipe is not just a meal, it's an experience. The process is as satisfying as the final product, and the result is a dish that's wholesome, hearty, and absolutely delicious. So next time you're in the mood for something a little different, give stuffed bell peppers a try. They're a culinary delight that's sure to impress.